let's talk about it. Yeah, it's been a minute since I posted a video. A lot been going on, but I ain't gonna bore y'all with the details. Yeah, my starter went out on me, left me stranded at a Circle K. Thanks for coming to get me, babe. You love me? You still love me?
I want to go home.
I know you want to go home. Look, blame Venom. Blame Venom.
I still got to cook after.
No, you ain't got to cook. You came and got me. That's enough. You came and rescued me, okay?
So when you go to AutoZone, you going to get food?
I ain't going to get food now. We can eat something at the house.
I love you. Now you set my soul on fire.
So yeah, we're finna put a new starter on. So we did end up getting a GM starter because the one that I took off the car was a Mitsubishi or Mitsubishi Corporation starter. So I seen these online. I know it was an aftermarket starter. So I'm surprised that it lasted this long. I didn't put this starter on. It was already on the car when I bought it. But yeah, it went out on me. So now we're putting it back with that good old GM certified. So we're going to put this starter on today, and then I'll tell y'all all what I've done to the car that I haven't filmed, but y'all gonna learn about that today. This is the wrong starter. Don't tell me they gave me the wrong starter, bruh. All right, so that's not gonna work. We got a quick intermission on this starter change. The Mitsubishi starter that comes on the G8, it has this mounting location for a starter wire and this mounting location for a starter wire. The issue that I'm having putting this new GM starter on that said it fit from Summit, it actually is from a Caprice PPV or Caprice PPV Camaro SS style. All you need to do is just change the top wire on that would go to this Mitsubishi starter. You need to change the connector in to a 1-pin connector, female, so it goes on to this Caprice PPV style starter, GM. There's your part number for the starter. So, this is just for warning, if you're watching this video, before you change your starter out and you try to order one from Summit, keep in mind that that Mitsubishi starter is a little bit different. So when you order that starter, you're gonna have to change that starter wire to a different female connecting in, like this blue one, okay? Like this blue one. So it goes on to the new GM starter. Alright guys, kind of hit home. We got what we needed. Let's get back so we can put this starter on and hopefully try to enjoy the rest of my day. Alright guys, so when y'all get up under here, y'all gonna see two starter wires, one that looks like this and then one that has this end on it right here. So I chopped that part off and then I crimped it onto this wire that's going to fit on the PPV style starter, and so that way you don't have to use those crappy Mitsubishi starters anymore. So quick little wire modification and you can run a Camaro SS starter. All right guys, so quick side note on the starter, last final modification, you need to grind off need to grind off just a little bit of this starter wire right here, just along the edge, because it's hitting this black piece right there. And so it's not gonna sit flush like it needs to. So just grind off some of that right there. You should be good to go. All right. All right, y'all, we done got the starter on. Now, I had to run to O'Reilly's to get me a 40 amp fuse because that starter was that bad to where it was blowing a 40 amp fuse every time. So, now that we got that new starter in, I'm gonna put the fuse on, I'm gonna connect the battery cables back in, and then we go give it a start up. That motherfucker smooth.